Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today we learn about a so beautiful and so elegant different type of knitting pattern. You can apply this pattern in any kind of a project like ladies cardigan, lady jacket, girls top, baby sweater, gents half sweater, full sweater. And you can also apply this pattern in border knitting and muffler. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. So this pattern is 4 rows, repeat pattern, cast on multiple of 4 plus 2 edge stitches, multiple of 4 plus 2 edge stitches. So let's begin. For demonstration, here we have 18 stitches on my needle, 16 stitches, multiple of 4 times 4 plus 4, 8 plus 4, 12 plus 4, 16 and plus 2 edge stitches, 18. Here we make this pattern after cast on. If you want to make border pattern, then you start this pattern after cast on, and if you make this pattern on cardigan or sweater, then you make any border you want. So let's begin. Here we make our pattern after cast on. This is first row and right side. First row right side, pull these all stitches till the end of row. Knit edge from right side. First row is complete now. Second row wrong side. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern, yarning back, make 3 from 1 stitch. First we knit 1, yarn over 2, knit again 3, yarn in front, now purl 3 together. That's our repeat from here to here. Make 3 from 1 stitch and purl 3 together. This is 4 stitches pattern, 2, 4. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have? So make 3 from 1 stitch. First we knit 1, yarn over 2, knit again 3, yarn in front, purl 3 together, yarn in back, make 3 from 1 stitch. First we knit 1, yarn over 2, knit again 3, yarn in front, purl 3 together. One more time, make 3 from 1 stitch. First we knit 1, yarn over 2, knit again 3, yarn in front, purl 3 together. Here we complete 4 times repeat pattern and last edge, purl edge from wrong side. Now this is third row and right side. Slip edge, yarn in front and purl these all stitches till the end of row. Every right side rows we make purl these all stitches. Knit edge from right side. Third row is complete now. Fourth row wrong side. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern, purl 3 together, yarn in back. Now make 3 from 1 stitch. First we knit 1, yarn over 2, knit again 3. That's our repeat from here to here. purl 3 together, make 3 from 1 stitch. Again we repeat this pattern. How many stitches you have? So yarn in front, purl 3 together, yarn in back, make 3 from 1 stitch. First we knit 1, yarn over 2, knit again 3, yarn in front, purl 3 together, yarn in back, make 3 from 1 stitch. First we knit 1, yarn over 2, knit again 3, yarn in front, purl 3 together, yarn in back, make 3 from 1 stitch. First we knit 1, yarn over 2, knit again 3. Here we complete 4 times repeat pattern and last edge purl edge from wrong side. Fourth row is completed and our pattern is also completed. Again we start this pattern from first row, purl these all stitches. In this way we repeat this 1 to 4 rows, and after repetition of 4 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your projects of N. If you like my videos, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye fan.